So, first glimpse of my new car. New to me, at least. It's a 75 Marina. It has done about 50,000 kilometers from new. I did what most people would probably think is a bit of an odd trade, but I traded this car for my Rover P6 3500S because I've had it for a long time, and well, I never got it properly finished. So yeah, why not try something new? Just gotten this car today. It has come from Sweden, so it's a Swedish car, so I have to have a Danish MOT on it and pay a little tax, but yeah, that's okay. But at first glimpse, it's a really nice car. Of course, it has some small issues, but it is, after all, 47 years old, so really nice. And if you are wondering about the stickers with quality control, it's because it was in a Swedish Classica magazine where they drove it from Sweden to attend a fair in Denmark, where I actually saw the car last autumn. Oh, sorry, fall. It was the fall fair. Yeah, so far I like it a lot. Spotted a small issue here I have to address first. It's actually probably overcharging, so at least that's not good. We don't like acid, so I have to address that rather quickly. This is really nice. Original rust-proofing sticker. And look at this. How nice is that? Yeah. So that's all for now. Prøv at røre gassen lige så stille. Prøv lige sådan her. Og prøv at skubbe jokeren ind. Gør det sådan. Og så lidt gas.